Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and it's afternoon time. You can see it's very sunny day. The sun is shining very brightly and yes, you can see the Dobby. Dobby generally comes with me when I come on my roof, so he generally comes with me. And yes, actually I was very busy for 2 days and there was huge work going on in my school, and the work related to APAR ID creation. Okay, so that's why I could not get time for make a video. And yes, still I get a little bit time, still I have some work to do, but yes, today I'm little bit free, so that's why I thought why not create a video. So let's talk about something in English. So friends, okay, the question is that ma'am, how to start English speaking journey? So yes, you should you should learn English by your surroundings. I mean to say, this is the same example that I'm going to share with you, that I'm going to show you that I am busy in my school work for creating APAR ID. So let's talk about, let's take this situation as an example. So how to start English speaking journey? This is my situation, this is my atmosphere that I am currently I am facing. Okay, so now the question is that how to start English speaking journey. So I'm going to take this thing as an example. You can take something which you are facing currently. Just I'm going to show you an example. Okay, so yes, I was very busy for creating APAR ID for the students in my school. So it was very exhausting days for 2 days that I was facing. Okay, so the question is that what is APAR ID? Whatever you are doing, you just need to create 3 or 4 questions. You just need to ask 3 or 4 questions with yourself, like what are you doing, and okay, what is the benefit of this work that you are doing, what are you facing, what are you thinking about this thing, and what are the benefit, or which benefit you will you will achieve after this. So these are three or four questions you should create with yourself. So thus the question is that what is APAR ID? Okay, APAR ID, APAR, APAAR. So this is now I'm going to give you full form of APAR ID. APAR means Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. हिंदी में इसको बोलेंगे स्वचालित स्थायी शैक्षणिक खाता registry. So this is the ID, full name of APAR ID. Now what is APAR ID? Okay, so APAR ID is a unique identification number issued by Government of India for their citizens. Okay, what is APAR ID? APAR ID is a unique identification number which is issued by the Government of India for their citizens. So this is the APAR ID. This number is issued by the Government of India for their citizens. This is only a definition of APAR ID. Now the question is that what are the main feature of this ID? Because we have already Aadhaar card. Why APAR ID is too much important? Because in 2020 education policy, so there is a demand like one nation, one identification, one nation, one ID. So yes, APAR ID depend on this thing, like one nation, one ID, and this ID issued for the citizens of India. This is the same 12-digit unique identification number, just like Aadhaar. Yes, and it is helpful for it has 12-digit unique identification number, and it helps you to create your bank account. If you really want to buy a SIM, so yes, you can buy a SIM, with the help of this APAR ID you can return your tax. Okay, and yes, you can buy anything, and this is the most important identification card. And after sometimes APAR Aadhaar card is not too much important after some times, but APAR ID nowadays its work is going on, but after some times if the person have APAR ID, so he or she is the citizens of India. That's the main logic of this APAR ID. So that's why APAR ID is very important, and this is the same like our visa card, like our PAN number. So yes, this is also our identification card. If you have this ID, then that means you are identify, you have your unique identification number. You don't need to give other identification if you have APAR ID. So yes, nowadays it's very important, and I just want to show you one thing. One nation, one ID. It's the best decision for our Indian citizens. So that's why we are busy for creating APAR ID for the students in my school. So that's why I was very busy for 2 days, and I could not get some time to create a video. Even I could not get time to eat food. I eat food, one paratha with tea. So you can understand. Actually, there was enrollment in my school 107 students, and yes, there is enrollment of 107 students in my school, and I created APAR ID 94 students in my school within 2 days. So you can imagine I was very busy, and yes, now I have some work, but yes, I'm little bit free. So yes, this is the whole thing, and yes, in this way you can easily start your English speaking journey. You should focus all the thing. You should identify all the words name in English, all the thing that is happening around you, and try to create some little sentence in English. Okay, so yes, in this way you can easily start your English speaking journey. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.